dashboard here. Now this video is going to be a little different because the footage comes from two different cars. First, we'll be looking back from the dashboard at a car that pulls into the turn lane the wrong way to get to the McDonald's. Now the second view will be from dashboard alternate, showing a better view of what happened, what the car does. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Select style up to 70% offer and February 20th. These store articles are for details. I've heard Kohl's added thousands of new markdowns to clearance. And when I went, I saved up to 70% on so much cool stuff. Like cute home essentials, jeans for my whole fam, a cozy sweater for myself, a pair of boots for my husband, and more. So yeah, don't miss out. Get to Kohl's and thank me later. Select styles up to 70% offer ends February 20th. See store or Kohl's.com for details.
Broadcasting live from the Adajar and Levine studios. Adajar and Levine, accident attorneys. Call 1-800-747-FREE. That's 1-800-747-3733. This is 96.9 The Eagle, Jacksonville's classic hits.
Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.